Out of the box, this is not light, I'll tell you that. So I've rested it on the foam from the inside of the box just to get it up off the ground so we can put the wheels on. They very conveniently have included a wrench that you can use to go ahead and set these on. So you're just going to take all 4 wheels, big ones go on in the back, small ones, and they look like they all go the same direction, go on the front. You've got 4 bolts that you'll just simply, you'll tighten in with this wrench, and then that will be set. And then we'll talk about getting the handle attached and the safety pin removed. And then you're pretty much going to be good to go. All right, so the wheels are on, and I went ahead and grabbed a 14mm wrench, a little bit longer handle, because with the thread lock on these bolts, the short one they provide is great. It just takes longer than you might like. So I just used a 14mm socket and got that, or wrench, and got that right done. So now you'll see that there's a shipping and locking pin right here. So go ahead and pull that out, and then we should be able to get this locking pin out. So let me get this backed out a little bit, and I'll show you what that looks like when it comes out. All right, so this locking pin goes in here and holds the armature down. It's pretty stout. It was in there really, really strong. So this hole right here and this hole right here once the handle is down. As you can see, I used a long handle screwdriver to slide in between and just press it out. It took a fair amount of force to get out, but now this is upright. Now you can see there's a plug on the inside. So when you grab the handle, you're going to line the plug up and then screw the collar down into place to get the handle on. All right, so you can see the handle's on. It only goes in one way to mate to that plug down at the bottom, and then the big orange collar just dials down. You can see that the locking handle here that will lock your pump handle in certain positions. So you come up here, I've taken the battery, actually has enough charge in it here, even just straight out of the box. So snap that down into place. So let's see, this is the very first time that I've used this brand new one. So here we go. That is fabulous. That is awesome. So up, down, that is fantastic. Infinitely adjustable as you go up and down. So let me turn this around. We'll try it out on the M2.